Hi guys, it's Dr. Hermie from Amityville Wellness, and I'm here for your wellness moment. Here's what we're going to do today. We're going to stand with our arms the same height as our shoulders, and we're going to try and make the back of our elbows touch. It's obviously impossible, but it's what I want you to try and do. So you're going to stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Take a big deep breath. Now this is like a power move. So to show our strength here for 9/11, we're gonna all stand here, super powerful. Make sure your shoulders are also back. I mean, not like this, they're like this. We're gonna take a big deep breath. You're supposed to look up a little bit. Big deep breath in. Again. So when you're feeling like you're stressed out and you don't know how you're gonna move forward, or you're facing something that's really challenging, go ahead and do this power move. Things will shift. All right? Big deep breath in. All right, happy 9/11. Never forget.